For materials, we are going to be using a 3.5 crochet hook or any smaller crochet hook of your choice to reduce the number of holes, scissors, a keychain, polyester yarn or any yarn of your choice. To begin, grab your yarn and your crochet hook. This yarn tends to fall out a lot, so be careful when working with it. Grab your yarn and make a slip knot. I did a video on how to make a slip knot. It's in the description. The link is in the description below. We're going to be chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to insert our hook in that first chain to connect. Now that we've connected, it looks like a circle. So we're going to chain 1 to start round 1, turn our work, insert our hook in that hole we created, and make 8 single crochets for the first round. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the last single crochet we created, we are going to be placing a stitch marker. Now this is completely optional. Now connect your work with a slip stitch and chain 1. For round 2, we are going to be placing 2 single crochets in each stitch to make a total of 16 stitches. One, 2. That's for the first stitch. Second 1, 2. And that same stitch, another one. And that same stitch, we're going to be placing another one. All round. It looks like we've come to where we started. Now we've reached the end. We have a total of 16 single crochets. So we're going to slip stitch with the first single crochet we made. Now pull the thread at the end to tighten your work. For round 3, chain 1 and we are going to be doing single crochets in every stitch, just like normal. Okay, looks like we've reached the end. So I want you to take your stitch marker connect your weight. For round 4, 5 and 6, we are going to be repeating the same pattern, single crochet all round. I'll meet you at the end. Once you are done with round 6, we move on to round 7. Don't forget to insert your stitch marker at the end of this round. For this, we are going to be doing a decrease row. And for a decrease row, you're going to insert your hook into the first hole, pull up a loop, but don't insert it in the next one, pull up another loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, and then pull through all 3 loops. You're going to do that again. Insert your hook in a hole, pull up a loop, insert your hook in another hole, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook, and insert through all 3 loops. You're going to do that all round. By the time you're done, you should have 8 stitches, and it should be closing up. Chain, do a slip stitch to connect your weight. Now for round 8, we're going to be attaching, we're going to be making the tentacles. We won't attach it. So what you're going to do is chain 6. 6, and place it inside the next stitch or the next 2 stitches depending on how many tentacles you want it to have, and make a slip stitch. You can remove your stitch marker. Now we have reached the end. We have 8 tentacles. I'm going to chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we want to close this. You're making a mini circle in order to close it, right? To close whatever is here. You can use it. For the mini circle, we are just going to be repeating rows 1 and 2. Chain 1, turn your work, and now we are going to be making 8 single crochets in the circle we created. Slip stitch into the last stitch and chain 1 to begin the second round. Place 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch to the end of the round, making a total of 16 stitches. In the same, let's put another one. Get your stuffing or anything you put inside the octopus to give it shape. Place it inside. Along with the circle we made, tuck it in so that it is secure and doesn't fall out. If it's too small, do an increased row. Place all loose ends inside the octopus to hide it. After, attach the keychain to it. Voila, and there you have it, your finished octopus keychain. I'm glad you had fun. Come back next time and let's try other stuff.